Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll cover a quick video how to properly clean and maintain your leather. Okay, we're going to show you today on that Toyota Sienna. It went through a full detail 6 months ago, and now the leather is bad again. And we usually do something every month, but we've been so busy that we haven't. And stay with us to see the difference when we clean that piece and how we're going to put vitamin E and what kind of lotion we use. Okay guys, nothing sponsored here, everything purchased by us, but we love those chemicals right here. They're made by Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner. Okay, you can see OEM approved cleaning solution. It's pH balanced. It's very important for cleaner to be pH balanced, otherwise it will dry your leather. And this is the conditioner with vitamin E cream lotion, natural leather scent. It's dry to the touch. So we put some cleaner, okay, in a little spray bottle. And what we do usually, okay, we're going to spray, okay, the area that we're going to work, okay, like that. Next, you can get a soft brush with soft bristles, okay. You gotta make sure it's soft, otherwise you will damage your leather. Okay, we'll just brush a little bit more, and now we are going to get a microfiber towel, okay, and we are going to wipe now, okay. You have to wipe that foam, okay, that dirt, before it dries and goes back in the leather. Okay, check it out now. Okay, that's unbelievable, right there. Alright guys, so we're going to get a new microfiber towel now. Okay, and what we are going to do, we'll get a little bit of leather conditioner now, okay, and we are going to apply a little bit on the area that we're working, okay, and we're going to rub it in. Okay, we usually use gloves when doing work with chemicals like that. Even though the vitamin E lotion is not harmful, I always avoid contact. Okay, and we're going to rub it in really good in the leather, massage it, okay. And it will be a little bit too much, but we're going to get the microfiber towel and we're going to dry it later. Okay, but you want that vitamin E to absorb in the leather as much as it can. Okay, check it out now. We're going to remove the tape, and the moment of the truth will come. See if it looks any different. Okay guys, so you can see the difference, okay, right here. It's hard to show you with the camera in a specific angle, but this leather is really soft. This one is hard leather. You can see how it doesn't go down. Okay, this one is super soft leather, and you can see, okay, the pores, okay, how dirty those are. Okay, look at those things, clean. So definitely looks 10 times better than what it was. So that's how you guys clean and condition leather. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.